Hey Rainbow Warriors! Congratulations on your acceptance to the University of Hawaii at Mānoa. We're so excited to have you join our University Ohana, or our university family. This is the new Student Advising online workshop. It's completely online, asynchronous, which means you can do it at your own pace, and is designed specifically for students who are new to UH Manoa. It's also completely free. The workshop is hosted on Canvas. Follow the directions on the new Student Advising website to access it. If you need assistance, email us at new.advising@hawaii.edu. Each module has at least one instructional video. They may also have short response questions and worksheets to help you feel more confident about starting your first semester at Mānoa. There's a task list at the bottom of each module so you can be certain that you've done all the steps. Each module needs to be completed in the assigned order, except for the optional modules, which can be viewed at any time. Once you've completed the entire workshop, you'll feel so much more confident and prepared to register for your first semester at Mānoa. This is also the perfect tool to prepare you for your first academic advising session. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.